Hello everyone, I am Nishchita, pursuing MCA in University of Mysore. In this video, I am going to explain about handwriting detection or recognition. These are all the contents which I am explaining in further slides like introduction, offline recognition, online recognition, algorithms used in handwriting recognition, handwriting segmentation algorithm, result and analysis, and conclusion. Introduction. Handwriting recognition, that is HWR, also known as handwritten text recognition. It is the ability of a computer to receive and interpret intelligible handwritten input from sources such as paper documents, photographs, touchscreens, and other devices. The image of the written text may be sensed offline from a piece of paper by optical scanning, that is, optical character recognition or intelligent word recognition. Alternatively, the movements of the pen tip may be sensed online. For example, by a pen-based computer screen surface, a generally easier task as there are more clues available. These are the example for different types of handwriting. Now let's see offline recognition. Offline handwriting recognition involves the automatic conversion of text in an image into letter codes. The data obtained by this form is regarded as a static representation of handwriting. Offline handwriting recognition is comparatively difficult as different people have different handwriting styles. And as of today, OCR engines are primarily focused on machine printed text and ICR for hand printed, written in capital letters text. OCR means optical character recognition. OCR mainly focuses on printed documents and ICR is a subset of OCR technology. Next, traditional techniques which comes under offline recognition, in that character extraction. Offline character recognition often involves scanning a form or document. This means the individual characters contained in the scanned image will need to be extracted. Tools exist that are capable of performing this step. However, there are several common imperfections in this step. The most common is when characters that are connected or written as a single sub-image containing both characters. This causes a major problem in the recognition stage, yet many algorithms are available that reduce the risk of connected characters. Next one is character recognition. After the extraction of individual characters occurs, a recognition engine is used to identify the corresponding computer character. Several different recognition techniques are currently available. Next, feature extraction. Feature extraction works in a similar fashion to neural network recognizers. However, programmers must manually determine the properties they feel are important. This approach gives the recognizer more control over the properties used in identification. Yet, any system using this approach requires substantially more development time than a neural network because the properties are not learned automatically. Next is modern techniques which comes under offline recognition, where traditional techniques focuses on segmenting individual characters for recognition. Modern techniques focus on recognizing all the characters in a segmented line of text. Particularly, they focus on machine learning techniques that are able to learn visual features, avoiding the limiting feature engineering previously used. State-of-the-art methods use convolutional networks to extract visual features over several overlapping windows of a text line image which a recurrent neural network uses to produce character probabilities. Next, let's see online recognition. Online handwriting recognition involves the automatic conversion of text as it is written on a special digitizer or PDA. PDA means Personal Digital Assistant, also known as handheld PC, where a sensor picks up the pen tip movements as well as pen up, pen down switching. This kind of data is known as digital ink and can be regarded as a digital representation of handwriting. The elements of an online handwriting recognition interface typically include a pen or stylus for the user to write with, a touch-sensitive surface which may be integrated with or adjacent to an output display, a software application which interprets the movements of the stylus across the writing surface, translating the resulting strokes into digital text. These are all the steps of online recognition: pre-processing, feature extraction, and classification. Let's see pre-processing. The purpose of pre-processing is to discard irrelevant information in the input data that can negatively affect the recognition. This concerns speed and accuracy. Pre-processing usually consists of binarization, normalization, sampling, smoothing, and denoising. Next one is feature extraction. Out of the 2 or higher dimensional vector field received from the pre-processing algorithms, higher dimensional data is extracted. This data may include information like pen pressure, velocity, or the changes of writing direction. The last step is classification. It is a big step. In this step, various models are used to map the extracted features to different classes and thus identifying the characters or words the features represent. Next one is hardware. It comes under online recognition. Commercial products incorporated handwriting recognition as a replacement for keyboard input were introduced in the early 1980s. Examples include handwriting terminals such as the Pencept penpad and the Inforite point of sale terminal. With the advent of the large consumer market for personal computers, several commercial products were introduced to replace the keyboard and mouse on a personal computer with a single pointing or handwriting system, such as those from Pencept, CIC and others. The first commercially available tablet type portable computer was the GridPad from Grid Systems, released in September 1989. Its operating system was based on MS-DOS. Software, it comes under online recognition. Early software could understand print handwriting where the characters were separated. However, cursive handwriting with connected characters presented Saylor's paradox, a difficulty involving character segmentation. In 1962, Shelia Guberman, then in Moscow, wrote the first applied pattern recognition program. Commercial examples came from companies such as Communications Intelligence Corporation and IBM. Let's see algorithms used in handwriting recognition. Handwriting equation recognizes complete working was divided into 2 parts. Those are training phase and implementation phase. The training phase consists of data pre-processing, model training and loss calculation. Implementation phase consists of image pre-processing, segmentation, prediction and reassembly process. Handwriting segmentation algorithm. The handwritten document is scanned and taken as an input to obtain individual characters which was written in a text file and are later read back and are passed as inputs to the 4 artificial neural networks. In the algorithm, the scanned grayscale image is read into an image matrix which is converted into a monochromatic image matrix with pixel values of 0 for black points and 255 for white points. Then row-wise searching is started from the point 0, 0 to find out the first black point. This is the assumed top point of the first word of the handwritten text that has been inputted. This point is referred to the upper point. After the upper point is found, all the black pixels that are connected to this pixel are given a value of 999. These are the different stages of handwriting segmentation. Once this step is complete, then all the characters linked to that word have a value of 999 in the matrix under consideration. After finding all the connected points, a row-wise search starts from the bottom to the top to find the first 999 value. This value corresponds to the lowest point. After this point is obtained, the area between the top and bottom point is searched on the left to check if any word has been missed on the left. In case another word is present on the left, then the new top point is obtained and the bottom point is found again, else the procedure continues. After this is carried out, the left and right points of the word are found out by column-wise searches. After the 4 points, the upper, lower, right and left point are found out. The word can be extracted and stored in a different matrix. This step is followed by marking of intersection points between various characters in the cursive handwriting. The word is searched for the number of cuts in a column-wise manner. All the cases in International Book Series, Information Science and Computing. 23 which number of cuts is 1 and as an edge on either left or its right or marked and then all the successive markings are averaged to provide one optimum point through which a cut is marked with grey value of 0.5. After all the cuts are marked in a loop, all the characters are written into a file which is later read by the neural network to recognize the character. Next, result and analysis. The accuracy of training was found to be 95.88%. The accuracy of testing was found to be 97.14%. These accuracies denote very good performance. In addition to that, we can create the graphical user interface which the user can interact. In this image, we can see human handwriting and also recognize characters by the machine. The last is conclusion. We have a brief idea about automatic handwriting detection. Online and offline detection is available. Online procedure is easier than offline procedure. Today's business world needs some computerized authentication for security purpose. Handwriting recognition is important for genealogy. Thank you.